Dear students, in the second video lesson, you are going to learn about classification of business activities. Classification of business activities. So, we have to learn more about the concept of business, the classification of business activities. We can classify the business activities into two, that is industry and commerce. Industry and commerce. So in commerce, business activities are classified into two categories and commerce is one among them. So classification is industry and commerce. Again, we have to learn in summarized manner what are the different classification of industry and commerce. Industry is classified into three: primary, secondary, and tertiary industries. Primary industries are classified into two: extractive industries and genetic industries. Secondary industry is classified into two: manufacturing industry and construction industry. Manufacturing industry again have subdivisions: analytical industry, synthetical industry, processing industry, and assembling industry. And tertiary industry that helps all these primary and secondary industries. So that is the classification about industry. And commerce, it is divided into two. The equation of commerce is trade plus aids to trade. Trade plus aids to trade. Trade includes internal trade and external trade, home trade or foreign trade. And some activities are there which helps trade that comes under the category auxiliaries to trade. Internal trade is divided into wholesale trade and retail trade. External trade is divided into export, import, and import. Auxiliaries to trade include transportation, advertising, warehousing, insurance, banking, and finance. So today we are going to learn more about what is industry and what are the different types of industry. So industry and its type. You know very well, industry is an economic activity that is connected with raising, production, conversion, processing, or fabrication of products. That means in industry there is goods are produced or converted into product that may be usable for further production and for final consumption. An industry may be primary, secondary, or tertiary. That indicates in industry the products are produced and with the support of commerce it is sold through the market. So industry includes all the activities that is related to production of goods and services. It is classified into three: primary, secondary, and tertiary. So remember the concept of industry. Then here is the classification: primary industry. Primary industry include the industries related to the consumption of natural resources directly. Primary industry is related to the consumption of natural resources directly, maybe through the process like extracting, producing, and processing. Extracting, producing, and processing natural resources. That is going on in primary industry. Primary industry is classified into two: extractive industry and genetic industries. Extraction, we are collecting from the earth, from the natural resources. So extracting means taking a portion from somewhere. So it is in this industry, extraction of products from the earth or from other type of natural resources. Maybe we are taking soil for direct use, water, air, All these resources are natural resources. When we are using directly all these things, that comes under primary industry known as extractive industry. When we are using the plants and animals to breeding and other process, then that industry comes under genetic industry. So we will go in detail all these concepts again. So what is primary industry? As I told, primary industry is concerned with extracting, producing and processing of natural resources. Such a type of industry may be further divided into two, extractive industry and genetic industry. So remember the concept, primary industry. It is again divided into extractive and genetic. So here we are learning what is extractive industry. Extractive industries, you can look at this picture where we are extracting soil and the rocks from earth and using directly. So these type of minerals, water may be soil, water, air or minerals, whatever may be, if we are using directly from earth, that type of industries are known as extractive industries. Fishing also there, forestry is also there. When we are using all these natural resources through extraction, then it comes under extractive industry. And the next one is genetic industry. Genetic industry is concerned with the animals and plants. When we are producing, breeding or multiplying certain species of plants or animals, then it comes under genetic industry and it is for earning profit. Best examples are cattle breeding, poultry farming, piggery, whatever it may be. If it is related to plants and animals, the breeding and production of plants and animals, then it comes under genetic industry. So remember, industry is divided into three, primary, secondary and tertiary. Primary is divided into extractive and genetic industries. Here we are going to learn more about secondary industries. Secondary industry, in secondary industry, there we are using whatever may be the materials collected through primary industries. Secondary, as the name indicates, here the materials from primary industry is used for further production and modification. So, secondary industry include manufacturing industry and construction industry. Manufacturing means creating new one. Construction means construction of building, roads, bridges, canals, etc. So we are going to learn more about manufacturing industries. Manufacturing industry, you know very well, lots of examples are available in our day-to-day life when we are manufacturing some new items by converting the raw materials collected from primary industry. Then it comes under manufacturing industry. Car manufacturing, bike manufacturing, vehicles or any other electronic items or food items, then it comes under manufacturing industry. Remember the definition, manufacturing industry refers to those activities concerned with the conversion of raw materials or semi-finished products into finished goods. It is usually done in factories. Finished goods. Finished goods means it is for the final consumption. Analytical industry. In analytical industries, the products are separated into different types. Best example is oil refineries, where petroleum products are created. So the name indicates their analysis is going on for creation of new product from the raw materials or semi-finished products. After analyzing, they are separating it into different products. Remember the example oil refineries. where we are getting different type of petroleum products. And the second one is synthetical industry. Synthesis, that is the process going on there. So these type of industries combines various ingredients into new products. So best example here given is cement industry. From different waste raw materials, they are creating cement. By integrating different raw materials, by combining them, they are creating a new one. That is why the name given synthetical industry. Remember the terms analytical industry, they are analyzing and separating. Synthetical industry, they are creating a new one by combining. And the next one is processing industry. They are, after a continuous process, they are creating some finished product. So through different steps, through successive steps or stages, they are manufacturing a new finished product for final consumption. So by converting the sugar cane into sugar, lots of steps are there for converting sugar cane into sugar, or from different raw materials we can create paper, but it is not possible in a single day. Different steps are there for the creation of these type of products. So that is why processing industry, remember, in processing industry, the products are created through successive stages or through different steps. And in assembling industry, so remember the terms like analytical, synthetical, processing. Like the same in assembling industry, the new product is created by assembling different parts. Best examples are car manufacturing, television or electronic type of products producing companies. Different parts are joined together for creating new one, assembled together for creating new product. So remember, these are the types of secondary industry. And the next one is construction industry. The construction industry, where we are constructing new buildings, new bridges, roads, etc. So construction, remember the term, with the available amount of raw materials, lot of raw materials are used for constructing building, road, bridges, etc. So that is why when we are using the raw materials for the production of some other things, then it comes under the secondary industry. So construction industry is also a secondary industry where the materials of primary industries are used for construction of building, then road and bridges. And the last type of industry is tertiary industry. The tertiary industry, the last classification in the concept of industry is tertiary industry. Remember, it provides support for the primary and secondary industries. It provides support for the primary and secondary industries. You remember the concepts like transportation, then banks, insurance, or online platforms. All these activities are supporting the primary and the secondary industry for their successive running, for earning profit. So here we are creating goods or services. So remember, industry, where we are producing goods and services, it is classified into three: primary industry and secondary industry and tertiary industry. Primary industry is classified into two: extractive and genetic. Secondary industry classified into manufacturing, analytical, synthetical, processing, assembling and construction. And the last category is tertiary industry. Hope the concept of industry is very clear. In the next video lesson, we will learn about commerce.